This is a box, and inside of this box is the 3-step framework to turn any skill, passion, or hobby into a sustainable income source in only 7 days or less, with almost 100% guaranteed success. And if you follow this plan, you will make money as a Blender artist without a sliver of a doubt. And if you don't believe me, check out the thousands of people who are doing it right now as we speak. $100, $200, $300 days on the lower end, and thousands of dollars per day on the higher. And the funny thing is, every single one of them follows the exact framework. That is, the exact same framework found in, you guessed it, the box. In fact, in this very video, I'm going to reveal exactly what's inside and how you can leverage it to bring in as much cash as you want with zero risk and unlimited upside potential. That's right, no risk at all, and yet on the upside, you can make as much money as you want. So what exactly is inside? Well, this box actually contains 3 separate keys, each unlocking a new stage or checkpoint on the route to our final destination. That final destination being turning your skill into a money printing machine with minimal effort, no risk, and like I've just mentioned, the ability to take home as much money as you want. So, what are these 3 keys? Well, they are our blueprint simplified down to 3 core steps: find, secure, and scale. Each one is vitally important as the next. And luckily for you, this video is going to be an in-depth guide to each of the keys and how you can utilize them to make you as much money from your skill set as possible. The first key, of course, being find. This is the foundation of the blueprint, because if we don't have it down to the T, then virtually everything else will collapse. Now, what is it we so desperately need to find? Why is it that everything is built off of this one key? And how can you guarantee that you are doing this step correctly? Well, here's the thing. You, right now, watching this video, have something that 99% of people will never have. It's most likely what led you to watching this video today. You, my friends, have a skill. Whether that's Blender, Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, it doesn't even matter. The point is, you have a skill that other people don't. The only thing you're not aware of right now is how to actually monetize it, how to actually turn it into money. And that's where the first key comes into play. As I mentioned, you have a skill that 99% of people will never have. However, I can assure you, it's a skill that once in your target audience, almost 99% of people need. The only thing in between them and you and the transaction that will occur is, well, to find them. Thus, the first step in our framework. To do this, there are a number of different options. For a beginner, however, your best bet is going onto a website called Upwork.com. Upwork is a website that specializes in showing you clients that need the skill that you have. You fulfilled their need, and a payment is deposited into your account. However, it's not that simple. And that's why we have the second key in the find, secure, and scale framework. The second key, once again, being secure. And what we mean by this is securing your first client. By the way, at the end of this quick little YouTube video, I'm going to actually show you how I ensure I get my clients to say yes 100% of the time. But for starters, here's one of the #1 things to look out for to make sure you secure a client, and that is the competition. For example, this guy wants a robot animation created. The only problem is though, as you can see here at the bottom, there's already been around 15 to 20 people who've tried to get the job. This means this probably isn't the best to apply for. Whereas this listing, which was posted around 7 hours ago, and is requesting a 3D model to be made for around $500, has literally less than 5 people who've tried to get the job, potentially even nobody to compete with. So this would be the perfect listing to apply for. The next thing I like to make sure a job has is it is a fixed price rather than an hourly rate. It's best to avoid these types of jobs. And these are just 2 of the full 7 criteria I challenge myself to meet in order to guarantee I get the job in mind. Once again, the full 7 will be revealed shortly. So we now approach the final key. We found our client, secured our position, and now it's time to scale to higher amounts. And what I mean by that is to go from $100 or $200 per gig or job closer to the thousands. And this is exactly what I was talking about at the beginning of the video. Beginners tend to hover in the $100 range per client, but pros, well, they don't really have a limit. See, once you reach this more pro stage, you get to decide how much you get paid. So, what separates the beginners from the pros? Well, what I've given you today is well enough to get your first client, maybe two, who knows. But for those of you who want to go further, I introduce you to the Blender Freelance Masterclass. It's a full step-by-step program in which I show you exactly how to guarantee success as a freelance artist. For example, remember how I mentioned I have 7 full criteria I must hit in order to get a job? Well, guess what we provide you in the masterclass. And I want to make a clear distinction. This isn't just a course. Yes, there's a full training course inside, however, it's so much more than that. You get access to all my paid Blender add-ons, my productivity pages, my schedules for freelance optimization, Notion templates for freelancers, checklists and spreadsheets, outreach templates you can copy and paste, and so much more. And all this, from the add-ons to the course to the templates and all the rest, for only $499. However, because this is brand new and y'all are so early to the release, the price is going to be temporarily discounted all the way down to just $99 for an extremely limited time. And the great thing about this is, if you only even secure one client for, let's say, $300 on the lower end, then you've already made over $200 just from joining the masterclass. And I'm actually going to test something kind of different here. If you send me a DM on Discord and ask, I will send you an additional coupon code to the already discounted price. Now, I've really given you everything you need to get started here, and I cannot wait to see you inside the Blender Freelance Masterclass. Thank you for watching, the link will be down below, and once again, I hope to see you there.